you ever wonder what a baby Easter egger chick looks like, there you go, right there. See them? Those are babies. Just kidding. They're my daughter's babies. They're lap chickens. Look at them. You should have seen earlier. She had like, what, six or eight? At least whatever she could fit in her lap, and then surrounded by chickens. Anyways, hope you all have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe, please.